Minglabashi, collocation Mikoni the Bobo to PG Jaya, a use skin and scan logima by Jangi Piotara Nesura, the skin and scan logima by Jangi Piotara Nesura, Piamasro, skin and scan logime, skin and scan lolidor demand, investigation, inventors, invention, so that Usali tweeted, demand, machines to inventions, these are by Kalibi, invention, a jungle Piotara, Pimebono. Throughout the 18th century, mathematicians, scientists, and philosophers researched, discussed, and published their investigation into how the world works, why engineers and inventors developed new and successful machines and processes. So, 80th century, Jangi Piotara, or no Shayasu, Chini Piotare, but that Diluria research, they discussed, they published in investigation, notable. Having an engineer, inventors, they are unyaivo, or a army who successful set the Nyari develop located. The latest theories inspire greater invention and more technology, encourage theoretical scientists to make further discoveries in medicine, biology, mechanics, physics, and chemistry. Technology jamulo no greater invention ni jamulo the fields di ma anya jinto discovery ni anya lo ngan khere sora li pyo tha de now the chang sat phat by 1800 the new machine plan brought revolutionary changes to the workplace, transportation and communication, and even eventually to the homes. Or township Yaude Kajaro, township Yaudware change bonus or new machines brought revolutionary changes for machine Jamulu bono, young lemmy in Yai, Picanari, young lemmy in Yai Pete, so the Makola Klishi by 10 minutes value Gia. Akupioniradi or 18th century township yaro a jama hang pure the mapita is a colony Gila Roshi, Arne, Hesneka, present tense demand, dona pito, beline, was ne het otome. Was go teme solution, the sapite was brought so be pitome, was brought be passive and in a yitaraba. Akudima piotara, new machines changes they go yulara. Hit the was cartel passive and in a new machine subject needed. Diniyama had bed heduyame, past perfect tense mean don't no. Some of these inventions simply made it easier to produce things on a large scale, such as textile machines and foundries, produce large quantities of cloth and metal objects quickly and cheaply. So Rodi produce a shema blank ratio, but 10 minutes rally option which year this year watch. Or yet Garodima Asabu no telling you how Abshika the textile machines in a foundries deka alone quantities of cloth and metal object ego nyamya sans Tatatane Tonana Pura. So yet nem design for peme this kale Terumiawu bene, what kalemapinino, which betinino, which kashian who can be renewed no. But some invention plan completely new possibilities such as the fast batteries, steamboats, and locomotive. The two invention are completely no pure a shake as a long lady badly tinine. She lighted kama di babma or teluyara so brought to Beshi. So broad carbon money, Sashia Su Jowney, Township Unica Jowney, Pionias, or broad car past and broad Teluyam. It would take decades for some of these inventions to make a big impact on the world. Along their creation and the sheer amount of imagination and risk-taking involved mark the beginning of a modern global technologically based economy of the kind that we live in today. So, Yendima. The Sajali Maso in Collocation, she's so mashi or Bali Pinine minutes Ralitia. Kayumia, however, more baro temis me, 3 and Nama, or Makaline. So, ကွက်လက်မှာကော်မာလေးမပါနေဆိုဒီနှစ်ခုကမဖြစ်နိုင်ဘူးပေါ့နော်အနောက်မှာလည်းဒီက creation ဆိုတာရှိရဆိုတော့ which ကလည်းအရှိရတစ်ခုခုကိုပြန်ရည်ညွှန်းတဲ့အခြေအနေမျိုးမှာသုံးနေဆိုတော့ထည့်လို့မရဘူးဆိုတော့ yet လေးပဲကြာမယ် yet လေးကိုထည့်ပေးပါမယ်ပြီးရင်တော့ confirm လုပ်ပြီးမှ result လေးကြည့်ကြည့်မယ်ဖြည့်ထားတာတွေအားလုံးမှန်ပါတယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်